if you're experiencing the Call of Duty Cloud Save Error 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam or Battle.net, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, power down the console completely and unplug it for a few minutes. For PC players, clear the cache of the game or the platform you are using. This can help eliminate any cache data causing the error. Step 5. Relink your account. If the problem persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account to the platform. This can refresh your account settings and resolve any issues with cloud saves. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cloud Save Error 2026. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.